Today we are going to read a reading from the book called North Star Reading and Writing. This is the third edition, North Star Reading and Writing 1, and the title of the text is The Friendship Page. So let's read the story first. Welcome to the Friendship Page, the website about friendship. When Bronwyn Paulson was 16 years old, she wanted to help her community. People laughed at her. They said, "You are so young," but she didn't listen to them. She was sure that friendship was important to everyone. So in 1996, she started the Friendship Page. The Friendship Page has two goals. One goal is to make the internet friendlier. The other goal is to bring more peace to the world. The Friendship Page is really about peace through friendship. Today, 25 volunteers help Bronwyn with the Friendship Page. They all work hard, but they have a lot of fun. They think their work is important. The Friendship Page is very popular. More than 23,000 people in 200 countries visit every day. That's 8 million people every year. The Friendship Page is friendly, free, fun, and easy to use. You can make new friends. You can get advice about the friendship. There are interesting pages with songs, poems, quotes, and more. You can also meet new and old friends in the chat room. People from 7 to 90 years old visit the Friendship Page. Most people are 13 to 34 years old. Young people and old people can be friends. They can help each other and learn a lot. 55% are female and 45% are male. The Friendship Page is very safe. The volunteers watch the website carefully. They want it to be safe for everyone, especially for young people. They talk to the Australian police about internet safety too. On the Friendship Page, people do not use their real names. There are no personal email addresses, no phone numbers, and no personal pictures. Also, when you delete information from the Friendship Page, no one can see it again. The information does not stay on the internet. This is not true of some other websites. If you are interested in friendship, please visit the Friendship Page at www.friendship.com.au. Now, this page already highlights that what are the specific words that we should look out for that we might not know, and in the end it lists 3 words. Friendlier means more friendly. Volunteers, people who don't get money for working. Quote, meaning you're quoting someone else's words.